Is your Bush TV remote not responding? This is a common issue with several straightforward solutions. Let's troubleshoot the most frequent causes step by step. The most frequent cause is simply dead or weak batteries. Replace them with a fresh set of alkaline batteries, ensuring correct polarity. Remove the old batteries completely and insert new ones properly. Check for obstructions between the remote and TV sensor. Ensure there's a clear line of sight and clean both the remote's infrared sensor and the TV sensor area to guarantee proper signal transmission. If you have a Bluetooth remote, it might need resyncing, especially after a TV software update. Navigate to Settings, then Remote and Accessories, and follow the pairing process by holding the left and home buttons until the remote appears on screen. Power cycling can resolve many issues. Remove the remote batteries for 30 seconds. Press any button to discharge residual power, then reinsert batteries. Also, unplug your TV from power for 60 seconds before plugging it back in. If buttons are sticky or unresponsive, clean the remote thoroughly. Use a microfiber cloth for the exterior and compressed air to remove debris from around the buttons. These 5 troubleshooting steps resolve most Bush TV remote issues. Start with battery replacement, as it's the most common cause. Then work through the other solutions systematically. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your Bush TV remote issues, there are several advanced solutions and alternative control methods you can try. First, check for potential sources of interference. Direct sunlight or bright lights can disrupt the infrared signal between your remote and TV sensor. If interference isn't the issue, try a factory reset of your TV. Access this through the menu, then Install and Retune, and select First-Time Installation. If your original remote can't be fixed, consider alternative control methods. A universal remote can be programmed using specific Bush remote codes. Alternatively, download a Bush TV remote app for your smartphone, which can function as a replacement remote control. To verify if your remote is sending a signal, point it at your smartphone camera and press any button. A flashing light visible through the camera indicates the remote is working. If the signal test fails and you've tried all other fixes, your remote may have internal damage. Corroded components or circuit board failure means it's time for a replacement. Remember, insufficient power remains the most common cause of remote failure. Always start your troubleshooting process with fresh batteries before moving to these advanced solutions.